Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Chevy Impala window. First, let's diagnose the problem. Begin by checking all window switches, especially the master switch on the driver's door as it controls all windows. Next, inspect the fuse box for any blown fuses or a faulty circuit breaker, typically a 25-amp breaker. Listen closely for any sounds from the window motor when you press the switch. Finally, examine the wiring harness connecting the door to the car's body for any visible breaks or corrosion. Many window issues stem from common problems. A malfunctioning master power window switch can cause all windows to stop working, and replacing it is often a straightforward solution. Another frequent culprit is a broken ground wire within the wiring harness in the door jamb. Corrosion on electrical connectors can also lead to intermittent operation. Cleaning these contacts can restore function. Additionally, lubricating the window guides with a silicone or Teflon spray can reduce friction and ease window movement. If the problem persists, you'll need to access the internal components. Start by carefully removing the door panel. This usually involves prying off trim pieces, such as those around the door pull and handle, and removing several screws, often T30 Torx or 8mm bolts. Disconnect the door handle cables and all electrical harnesses. Secure the window glass in the up position with painter's tape. Then, unbolt and remove the entire window motor and regulator assembly, typically held by 10mm bolts. Now, install your new window motor and regulator assembly into the door, aligning it with the mounting holes. Connect the electrical harness to the new motor. Carefully lower the window glass onto the regulator and secure it with its two 10mm bolts. Before reassembling, connect the window switch and thoroughly test the window's full up and down motion. Once confirmed, reinstall the door panel, ensuring all clips and screws are properly secured for a complete repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.